twin turbo remote start. So guys, we made it. We hit 712 rear wheel horsepower, which is a big increase from before on the factory clutches. We are still on the factory clutches because we don't have boobs. And if you don't have boobs, you don't get clutches. That's apparently how it goes. But so we are ready to take it to the track and beat that ETS record of 995. They had clutches and a built engine. I'm not sure because I don't think that that guy has boobs either, but I don't know him, so you never know. But we're going to go break this record now and just break the internet again. It's a 995 right now, and I think we're going to do it. I think that we can do it now.
Amelia already broke the record. It's 9.4 now.
What?
Yeah, she made 1,000 too.
Sometimes you are the bug, and sometimes you're the windshield. Right now, we're a fucking bug, and we're gonna fix that. You think you're the windshield, Amelia? Well, you know what? This is what happens to windshields. Your windshield. Literally, the food guy is on his way, and we're waiting for the food guy to come on. We're gonna wait till the food guy comes out here, and then I'm gonna smash it more. See if he calls and on the phone with him. Okay, here he comes. Here he comes. Just stand back here and make sure you film that guy. Okay. Just see if you can get his face. Just zoom in on him. You zoomed in on his face.
He's like, are you guys effing serious? He's like, he's had a crack in it.
Yeah, I heard. Okay, in all seriousness, Amelia, congratulations on breaking the record. We're probably going to break it just like I broke that windshield. So watch out. We're coming right back for you. At least when we get clutches, which you still might need boobs for, but when we get them, you know, that's what we're doing. You're going to be on YouTube, just so you know.
Perfect. Lorenzo Steak and Hoagies, 208 East Market Street.
Bug hit it. Hey, Mike.
I thought so. Because I just drove by that car a little bit ago. Windshield wasn't like that.
So while there might be glass all over the car, we are covered because thanks to Oaks Detail for doing the paint protection film all over it. the PPF, as you guys probably know about, every single body panel is covered with the paint protection film, meaning that any of those little glass little tidbits that have gotten all over did not scratch the paint. Worst case scenario, we might have to replace one or two, or recover one or two panels, but it's really nice to know that you can smash your windshield so violently and still keep the paint in good shape. Special thanks to Oaks Detail for hooking me up on the paint protection film. And you guys are probably wondering why the heck I did this in the first place. If you guys have seen in a previous video, the windshield got cracked racing. It's not an insurance claim because it happened at the track, so we ended up buying a windshield and we're gonna install a new one right now. Luckily we had towels down, as you guys can notice. That way we got almost no glass on the inside, and ideally we'll get it all taken care of and it'll be like it never happened. If I could see. Hopefully I don't break anything else. That's a hell of a pancake scraper.
Yeah, big ass burger flipper.
And I helped.
Thank you. I got it.
I thought about it.
Roadster now.
I definitely thought about it. Just go around town with like my helmet on. So what would you guys do if I like just took a crowbar to this right now?
Hey, I just pull out the invoice and be writing up another one. Got the routine down now. Keep doing.
So just like tucking the trim piece or whatever in now, or
Yeah, just have to tuck that cowl back in. GM's new design there. Everything put that into the windshield.
looks like a windshield, and then we get the Zora logo, which you can't really even tell that that's him. All right, guys, so we are here with Dwayne from Glassworks Auto Glass. I'm sorry, this guy right here, glassworksautoglass.net. You're located Westchester or
yes.
Westchester area. You do, you know, private stuff.
Yep, all insurance companies, dealership work, body shops. So anything you need, cash work, we can get it done. Come to you, come to your shop. Get it
Cool.
done.
Very cool. Well, thank you for coming on out and taking care of this. I'll let you know when I smash it again. Now, how long do I have to wait?
Just give it about an hour now. You just sit for about an hour, and you're good to go ahead and drive it and treat it like normal.
Okay, so we'll pressure wash it then?
Yeah, nah. 2 to 3 days on the pressure wash.
Okay.
2 to 3 days. It can get wet, it can get rained on, but 2 to 3 days on the pressure.
Okay, cool. Well, we'll let it sit for an hour and then back on. Well, thank you so much for coming out and dealing with the disaster. Was it harder than usual because I smashed the shit out of it?
No, because I do deer hits all the time. You know what I mean? So it's extra cleanup, but
Yeah.
not any harder. Not
Okay.
any harder. Something we deal with.
Okay, well, thank you so much for coming on out. And
Not a
I really
problem.
appreciate you coming out on such short notice.
Not a problem.
Because it's really nice to have a a whole car again, and a nice one, and the new windshield too, because the old one was.
See, something you can see out of.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, that's smash. That works.
Yeah. Can you say "F*** Amelia"?
A million.
Thank you. Okay. Well, thank you very much.
All right, man.
See you on the next one.
Yes, sir.
So the new windshield is on. It is looking really good and not broken. That's the most important thing. And we are getting ready to release this as the production kit. We're going to do a couple installs in-house, so definitely pay attention online as we make that announcement on our fully deliverable. So pay attention online for us to make that big announcement on our fully deliverable twin turbo setup for the C8 Corvette. Stay tuned, guys, and we'll see you on the next one. Adios. We're a f***ing bug, and we're gonna fix that.
That's a car.
That's a car. That's actually kind of fun.
Oh, look at this. Conveniently placed. Oh, look at this. Conveniently placed crowbar. You think you're the windshield? You're not the windshield. Wait. You think you're the windshield?